Hi guys, I will try to color my hair. This is my first time to color myself. So this is I will try this bubble color. This one is Korea product, so I think it's okay. So what's inside is the mixture 1, the mixture number 2, and this is the big bottle. I think talagay natin sila dito. So this is the mixing bottle. Then may glove siya. Then the instructions. So yun, let's mix the product first. So yan, mix lang natin sila pareho. So yan, ganyan-ganyan lang natin siya kasi pag shake natin siya, magbabubble siya sa loob. So dapat guys, ganyan lang. So, let's apply guys. Palit na ako ng shirt kasi sayang naman ng t-shirt ko. So, palit na ako ng damit ko. By the way, bago pala natin i-apply, I think kailangan natin maglagay ng petroleum jelly sa mga side na to para hindi siya makulayan. So, lagyan ko muna guys. So, wearing muna natin yung gloves. This is my first time guys. So, sana maging okay. Well, di natin malalaman kung di susubukan. So, let's try. By the way guys, kailangan pala is dry hair. Hi guys, so the color is so black. I'm expecting it to be a dark brown or chocolate, coffee brown, but it turns out so black. So, not good because some parts still brown. So I grab a new color. This one is a Revlon dark mahogany brown. So I will ask my housemate to put on some highlights because it's kind of so black, as in sobrang black that it turns out to be bluish. Okay lang naman black, pero eto naman beyond naman sa black. So yun, update ko na lang kayo ulit guys. So this is it. Hi guys! So eto na yung result ng aking pagkukulay. I don't know kung nakikita nyo, pero ang konti lang nung red hindi siya gano'n nag-color dahil ang tapang nga nung black niya. So ayan, tips lang siguro kung magko-color kayo ng sarili nyo, huwag kayong maniniwala yung kung ano yung nasa box. Kunyari, this is your before hair, and then after, eto yung magiging result. Sometimes hindi ganun. It depends pa rin sa buhok mo kung paano siya mag-absorb ng color siguro. So yun guys, so sana okay rin to. Bye, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Bye.